What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon Haneline here with Jeep Informant, and today I'm wondering how are we going to put a spare tire cover on with a backup camera in the way? Is it going to cover it up? Let's find out. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is go to the upper center console and grab the handy dandy toolkit. I'm curious to know how many of you think this toolkit is a pretty cool thing that Jeep has done. Up here in the top right corner, cast your vote. Alright, let's go ahead and take the 1/4 inch ratchet out along with the 30 Torx bit here. And we're going to take the backup camera cover off. Now, this is a pretty easy little thing to do here. It's just a little 1/4 turn and it pulls right off. Next, let's go ahead and grab our spare tire cover and see how this thing's going to fit on there. And check this out. Look at this cutout for the backup camera. This is pretty cool. So I was wondering how they would do this, and so they just made a little cutout with a little shield to replace the one that you took off. Alright, I'll be honest with you, this thing was pretty tight getting on, especially getting it past the third brake light area on the top there, and the centerpiece just snaps right over the camera and fits really well. I had some trouble at the bottom really trying to get it around the tire, all the way around the tire, and to make it look nice and smooth, because this is a brand new Jeep and we want to make it look good. Alright, so here's what it looks like all put together and buttoned up. This thing actually looks really good. I'm surprised it looks this good with the camera in the middle. I thought it was going to look a little awkward, but it does look better than I thought it would. So this camera cover just really snaps on there, and it won't pull off. There's a little button at the bottom that kind of snaps in, and it's really solid on there. So I'm glad to see that this thing's not going to be flopping around everywhere. Now, there are multiple different spare tire covers for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler that have this camera cover here in the middle. So I will put a link in the description below that'll take you to that. Now, any purchases that you make from Amazon through this link will go to support this channel and is much appreciated. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the tools up. And now the camera cover, we still have that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the glove box so we'll have for the future sometime if we ever need it. Now, you may not know this, but if you do purchase this Mopar spare tire cover 82215434 from Amazon, it does still carry a 2-year unlimited mile warranty, not from Amazon, but from Mopar. So make sure you keep your receipt. As of today, April the 9th, this spare tire cover is going for $55 on Amazon. I will put a direct link to the Mopar spare tire cover in the description area below. If you're still watching this video, you must have liked something, so give me a big thumbs up. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.